Today we're going to talk about restyling. We hold these events in store at Jewellery Jewellers twice a year and also do restyling throughout the year. This is an event where we take your previously loved jewellery that you've either inherited or no longer love the way they're set, and we make them into new pieces for you to love and enjoy and wear again. We work with diamonds and coloured gemstones and create your fabulous new piece of jewellery. Once we finalise the design with our goldsmith and ourselves, we then send the design off to a company in Toronto who uses AutoCAD. They then cast the piece of jewellery, set your stones. Once we get it back in store, it is an absolutely gorgeous piece of jewellery for you to love and cherish forever.